What's up, guys? This is Aman from Tech NY9. I am so excited. Today we have the Apple Watch Series 8, and I'm at the Apple Store right now, and we're going to be doing this unboxing of this beautiful watch. We have the black version of this watch. So this year we have a few colors, but I really like this black, okay? It's a really, really dark color black. And let's open it up and take a look what's inside the box right now. Really nice. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. It really helps out my channel. Check this out, guys. The watch comes in this really nice felt. This is the 45 millimeter, guys. So this is the biggest one you can get this year, unless you're going with the Ultra, okay? I didn't go with the Ultra because I looked at the price. It was $800 for the Ultra, okay? This one was $600. The Ultra is $200 more. Personally, you know what? I might do that, but I wanted to do the unboxing on this one still because I think this watch is really, really nice. For somebody that likes something stealthy, look at the color. Look at how dark this color is. So beautiful. The screen and the sides match perfectly. It's an aluminum body. So I really like how it looks. Okay, the stainless steel is nice also, but I feel like the stainless steel has to be taken care of really well. You can't mess around with that because you will see the scratches. And this does come with a charging cable, but no brick, okay? So we'll show you what the cable looks like. You know, it's just sits on top of it as far as charging goes. But you will need the brick. If you don't have a brick, you're going to have to either buy it, or if you have an older brick, or if you have an iPhone, you can plug it into an iPhone charger and do it that way, okay? So let's get this open and show you what it looks like. So it's USB-C to, I guess, whatever this proprietary Apple charging system is. I don't know what it's called, but I guess it's called wireless charging, okay? But this is Apple proprietary, which only really charges the Apple Watch. Possibly the AirPods Pro and the AirPods. I'm not sure. I've never actually tried that. But that's something I'll have to try in the future video. The band we got with this one is a really nice combination. So you got the black Apple Watch with a red sports band, okay? I tried on a few bands before buying this one, and I just personally felt like black and red was a nice combination that I could wear even at work and also at the gym. So let's open this bad boy up and we'll take a look what it looks like on the actual watch. Okay, so here we go. Get that open, get it out. By the way, it's beautiful over here in the Apple Store right now. So many new products. I got the new iPhone 14 right next to me here also that I just looked at. Really, really nice. 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. Amazing, guys. I'm excited about this year. We have a lot of new things. Check that out, guys. Wow, that is nice. Oh, man. That is a pretty color. It's a deep red. I really like this red. Let's see, okay? That gives you a little information about the watch and the band. Let's take it out of there. All right. It's nice because, you know, it feels really good in the hand. It's soft, plush kind of feel. I like it. I don't know how clean it will stay, but I feel like you can clean it with alcohol if you want to and just like put it back on. It'll be easy to clean. But I feel like it would get dirty after a certain amount of time, and maybe the color changes a little bit because of that. Let's put it on the watch and show you what the watch looks like with the band on it. Here we go. Very easy to slide on. Okay. Check that out. And on the back of it, there is a little button that you squeeze down, and then you can take the bands off and change it to any color you want. So you can change the bands to change the look daily if you want to. That's what I really like about the Apple Watch. Apple logo. Let's turn it on. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's really, really nice. Check out this watch, guys. How beautiful is that? Oh, man. This year, I'm telling you, these watches are made for health-conscious people. They added so many features, so you're going to like it. From previous years, there is a massive difference in the Apple Watch Series 8 and the Ultra. Okay, they're all really, really nice. I love it. Here we go. We're going to set this up while we're at the store. At least we're going to try to. We did try to set this up, and to be honest, This is the cellular version, and I couldn't get the cellular part to run, but I did get most of the watch set up and turned on. So here we go. This is the setup process. Okay, took a little while to figure out some of the things, but we got it rolling. Okay, gotta find our region. That took a minute. The guy next to me, the Apple Store employee, was asking me if I'm a YouTuber, and I was like, "Yeah, follow me, bro." So hopefully he follows me. If you guys haven't followed me yet, go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. It really helps my channel out. And guys, it's free. Come on, hook a brother up. And you'll get content like this every once in a while. Hopefully you guys are liking this. Check out this Apple Watch on my wrist. I wanted to show you what it looks like, okay? Black and red combination. Can't go wrong with that, guys. All right. If you have small wrists, this has plenty of loops for you to be able to hook onto, okay? Plenty of little holes in there. You can see that. I have pretty big wrists, so it works good for me also. All right. Different colors. You can get a whole bunch of different colors. Series 8. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the 45 millimeter, or do you guys feel like smaller version would be better? I personally like the 45 millimeter a lot, just because you get more information, and this is the first year you're getting the 45 millimeter. So I would rather get the bigger version. To be honest, I could go even a little bit bigger than this, but at the moment, this is good enough, okay? What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? Or if you don't, definitely leave me a comment down below and tell me why you don't like it. And if you like it, give me a feature that you actually like about this. Do you like the band? Do you like the watch? Do you like an actual feature? Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. And by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you in the beginning of the video, this is the midnight color, which is weird because it's, the midnight you always think is blue, because actually on the face of the box it looks like it's a blue watch, but it's actually a black watch. I asked the guy and he said it's definitely black, and I was like, I'm not opening this until I know for sure. He said, yeah, definitely it's the black version. And I was like, okay, I'll take a chance. But yeah, definitely midnight is a black version. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video, guys. I love each and every one of you guys. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you like it, watch other videos that I have on my channel. Peace out, guys. Later.